Digital twins are intelligent digital representations of physical assets, which store all relevant information over their life cycle. Digital twins enable meaningful integration of real and virtual worlds, and leverage advanced sensing and analytics to provide real-time insights on the status and performance of an asset. Digital twins may also provide input to models to be able to predict the behavior of an asset under given conditions. LocLab's digital twins are full BIM models representing structured, three-dimensional, object-based virtual copies of real assets that can be linked to other data sources, for example, building management systems. Using the Rocket 3D Player, LocLab leverages gaming technology to enable free movement and interaction in real-time applications, as well as trigger alerts, display data, send emails, map specific locations, and position georeferenced cameras. In the built environment, advanced sensing technologies and the Internet of Things, IoT, contribute to making buildings and infrastructure assets major sources of data. Digital twin information systems builds on the foundations of computing and well-designed monitoring technologies. Digital twins can bring all types of data together and allow their cross-platform exploitation by architecture, engineering, construction and facility management stakeholders. Digital twin offers the potential to unlock economic, social, environmental, and business value for the built asset industry.